to my lovely friend and having us over here. And what a beautiful cafe! It's so beautiful, and I'm sure like the beautiful people of Jaipur will get more beautiful by coming to this cafe.
Yeah.
Yeah, and thankful to all this great press, the media, to come and give your very prestigious, very important time to us and give us a little time to tell you that FTV Cafe is going to expand not only with this one, but we partner with this April gentlemen, great young entrepreneurs of Rajasthan, Jaipur, and expand the F&B circle of Jaipur in the most beautiful, bright, fashionable, right? Circle of Jaipur. So it's not only about being getting out here to get noticed in a cafe, but being there in a nice fashionable cafe. And Fashion TV, as you all know, is the world's largest fashion and lifestyle media. We are present in 196 countries. Wow. And we are there since last 26 years. Silver Jubilee. And we're now expanding into different walks of life, cafes, bars, lounges. But with all of these people and their support and their help, we are in Jaipur.
ये भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेमस ब्रांड है, सभी को पता है इसके बारे में। और जब से हम इनके साथ एसोसिएट हुए हैं, वी आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट, हम बहुत खुशकिस्मत समझते हैं खुद को कि इतने अच्छे ब्रांड के साथ हम एसोसिएट हो पाए हैं। और जयपुर में ये फैशन टीवी का पहला कैफ़े है और होपफुली बहुत सारे आएंगे। और हमारी जो पार्टनरशिप है फैशन टीवी के साथ में, होपफुली वो सिर्फ जयपुर के साथ ही नहीं बल्कि आगे भी और एक्सटेंड होगी। सो हाँ, या दैट्स ऑल अबाउट इट।